Let's hear from Alexis. She's a first-year pharmacy student who decided to make a career change after working in the corporate world. Midwestern University pharmacy faculty and fellow students welcomed Alexis into their community and gave her the life balance she was looking for. Tell us all about it, Alexis.
Thanks, Alex. Hey guys, my story is a bit unconventional. After I graduated college with a bachelor's degree in finance, I worked in the corporate world for 5 years and realized cubicle life wasn't for me. I wanted a more fulfilling and rewarding career in healthcare, and pharmacy piqued my interest. I applied to Midwestern University's College of Pharmacy, and when I got my acceptance call, I was elated. Being a bit older and wanting to get back into the workforce as soon as possible, Midwestern's 3-year program was a huge selling point for me. I love how Midwestern is a small private institution, and it's a close driving distance to my home. As time goes on, I meet more and more career changers, like myself at Midwestern, who are also passionate about joining the healthcare field. I've learned that it's okay to not have everything figured out right away. If you're in a career and it's not a perfect fit, there's no shame in trying something different. Midwestern has given us that opportunity and gives us the resources to succeed in our chosen field. Transitioning to a graduate program was seamless. Midwestern prioritizes students balancing their personal lives and school. All in-person class sessions are recorded, so if you ever need to go back to rewatch a lecture or review the material, it's easy to do so. No matter where you are in your journey, Midwestern offers so many opportunities to explore different aspects of your field. With hands-on learning and clinical rotations at various community and hospital pharmacies, I know I'll be ready to start my new career as a pharmacist after graduation. Back to you, Alex.
That's a great story, Alexis. Proof that it is never too late to make a career change, especially if that change involves a true passion for wanting to help others, something that is quite common among pharmacists. Thank you for sharing your journey with us, Alexis. That was great.